Hello, I have yet another temuhaul. It's just a little dab of stuff that I got. I don't barely remember what it is. I think I have something else coming too. But let's see what I got. I decided I wanted to wear some pins on the edge neck of my dresses or shirts. I thought it would be kind of nice. Just kind of pin them on the edge. If I can get this guy open. There it is. This one. And the pins are really, really reasonable. I don't even know where you can buy a pin in town. Maybe Marshall's, but they wouldn't be like, no, $1.97. Oh, this one's pretty. It's kind of a black onyx look and a little, kind of marcasite a little bit. A big beetle, so that's cool. And as usual, I will put the coupons and links and everything in the description. This nice little bag they gave me. This one is very pretty. It's a fish. And get this guy open. Tons of pins. You name it, they got it. Oh, very, very nice. Can you see that? It's all crystals, kind of pink. That's very pretty. Pink and oh, these look like AB Aurora Borealis stones, and then it's got a oh, you could wear it as a necklace too, which is kind of fun. You can put a little rope or tie through that. I really like this, and this was like an expensive one, like maybe $2 something, $3. This is a straining thing that I use for some of my projects. It's just a big, like a cheesecloth bag if you're making something and you need to strain out stuff. So that's what that's for. I'm not going to open it up. It's not very interesting. And let's see. Okay. This one I thought was, this matches my earrings I got, which I love those crab earrings I got. They're very nice, and I can match it up. It's really nice. It says something on it. Oh, gee! Look at that, y'all. It's a Heidi Daus knockoff. I did not know they did that on Temu. I will look more closely now because I love her stuff, but I'm not going to pay $125 for a pin. I'm too fickle. So I'll wear this for a while and then I'll like pass it on. Yeah, look at that. Heidi Daus knockoff. Does that say down below? Shiner. So, go look at the crystal pin. Let me see if this one has it. No, nothing in this guy. Anything here? No. Nothing on this one. Oh, that's interesting. I had no idea. And this is a big moth. I have a necklace that kind of matches this. I love my moth necklace too. This, here it is. Oops. No marks in that one, but it's really pretty. It's sort of Aurora Borealis. Yeah, I think it's got a little bit of like jadeite green stones. But it's nice. For what you're paying for these things, it's awesome. So I like that one too. And I got another charging cord. I'm stocked up on my charging cords. Now I need to look for the wall things to plug them into the walls. This one is really good because it's got a swivel. It's a C plug, but it swivels, so that's kind of nice. Then you're not worrying about, a lot of times you get those little rubber guard things and put here because this tends to be a weak spot that you'll lose your cord. So this is very good, and these were not expensive either. Let's see, this is just an aquarium pump that I need for when I'm doing my projects with my infusing and whatnot things. And yeah, and yeah, look at that, it's got a USB plug. So I will love using this. I've been using a crummy old battery one, so this is a big upgrade for me. And let's see, this is one of their acrylic ones. I have a, I don't think I have a pin. I have octopus earrings and crab earrings. So this is my first acrylic pin. And these, I didn't really realize. Look at this. I think they have, yeah, plastic stuff on them. Nope, this one doesn't. No, the earrings had a thin plastic coating on them. This guy doesn't, but I think he's really cute. Very nautical, very cute. Yeah, that's really nice. It's almost like a cool, it's not Bakelite, but it almost has a cool Bakelite look to it. And it's just a pin. And I love this one. I got two of these. Got one of these for baby retros. Look at these. It's Skeletor saying live, laugh, love. Awesome. And it's just like a tie tack one. These were like 97 cents. So very nice. I got two of those. And last, this one is almost like, this one really does look Bakelite. In a bunch of different colors. I think this one's like $3. But it looks like a real legit Bakelite. Kind of an Art Deco pen. See, I got this kind of gold ochre shade that almost looks like butterscotch Bakelite. Yeah. Very, very nice. And I think that's all I got. So until the next one, which is probably coming soon, I'll see you later. Bye.